Hi everyone, I'm just doing my cool down walk now. I'm headed back home. Today was a short run. It was just maybe a few feet shy of 4 miles. And it's raining out here, but that's okay. Normally on a rainy day, I just like to chill and enjoy. But my cardio days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So I couldn't let the rain stop me today. I'm not sugar. Well, I'm brown sugar. Brown sugar doesn't melt. It's just clumps. I just wanted to say hello to everybody while I'm doing my cool down. I put a stop on the projects for now because I got a lot of stuff going on. And as promised, I will come through. And I'm sorry if I sound whatever, but I'm a little winded from the run. And the rain's coming down pretty good. But I just wanted to tell everyone that I love them. And actually just show my face. Some people were wondering, man, you haven't done a video in a while. Not a whole lot of people, just maybe a handful. I said, well, I'll go ahead and just do something. So just know that I love you. I'll be starting back on the projects. And I guess that's about it for now. I'm wearing a really cool running shirt. It repels water really good. And it's pretty much now underneath. I'm a little warm. But, anyway, if I'm not making much sense, it's because the oxygen stimulated my brain right now. I'm heading back to my house. I always run with my garage door opener. So I will talk to you guys later on. I love you. Thinking about everybody, praying for everybody. But I need to get in here and kind of dry off a little bit. Take care, and we will see you soon.